This might be you too. You work from home, and every day you spend about 70% of your time on computer screen. You love solitude. You're a minimalist, live a lowest life, and is environmentally conscious. You're mentally impacted by news about disasters like the wildfires in LA. You are depressed and hopeless about the future of our nature, our planet. But you're still breathing and capable, so you want to do everything in your power to make the world a better place, to escape from the stress of computer work and endless stimulation from social media, to heal and reconnect with your body and soul by doing something more physical, to keep the amount of waste minimal by using existing materials, and you want to have fun. So, what's your answer? This is mine. Papermaking and bookbinding. If you can't think of one yet, join me. Welcome to the club.